Hello, and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can install Kodi on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So we're going straight into the video. I'm going to do this in 2 steps. Step 1 will be to ensure that we can download and install apps from unknown sources. Download and install unknown apps as well. So we'll do that in settings. Step 2 will be downloading and installing Kodi from Unlinked. So step 1, I'm heading over to settings and I'll go to my Fire Stick or my Fire TV. From there, I'll go to About and I'll click on this 7 times. So Fire TV Stick, click on this 7 times and you are now a developer. So you have developer options and you can see there's an option here that says apps from unknown source. If you turn this off, you cannot download an app like Kodi. You cannot download an app which is unknown or from an unknown source. If you turn this on, yes, now you can download unknown apps and download apps from unknown sources. So now that step 1 is out of the way, let's head over to step 2. In step 2, I'm going to the app library and I'm going to select the unlinked app. Under the unlinked app, I'm going to use a code. The app library I'm going to be accessing with the code is Firestick. So just all capital letters and just type out Firestick. Fire stick, no space in between. And then just click on next. So that's going to search for this app library. Come back to the app library and scroll over the apps. You're going to find the Kodi app. There is it. You click on it, you click on download, and that begins to download the application. So just hang on tight for some seconds for the app to download. When the app completes downloading, we should run through the installation of the application. And if this is your first time, you may see a message saying something about unknown sources or saying unknown app. All you need to do is go down that list. A list will pop up, a list of apps, and there'll be a toggle beside the apps. So go down that list and then head over to Unlinked, enable Unlinked or make Unlinked to be allowed to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. And from there, the Kodi app will be able to be installed. So I'll just hang on tight, wait for this to complete, and I'll get back to it. So 197% there, the download is completing, and at 100%, the Kodi app is downloaded. So usually an installation notification will pop up with the button asking you to install. If it does not pop up, just give it a click. So Kodi is downloaded, but it's not yet installed. Now, if the pop-up does not come on, I think we'll give it a second, but access all your downloads on the left panel. Under downloads, you see what has been completed. So the only option I have is to delete the download. It seems the Kodi app is not being installed. So I think it was a network disturbance, but the install button has popped up. Just click on install app. And from there we have this dialog box clicking on install. Just give it a second, it's going to take a couple of seconds, but we're done. So installation is done, the Kodi app is ready to use. I could click on open to launch it, or I could just click on done. And basically that's it for this video. If you've been able to download and install Kodi, if you found the video useful, drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content like this.